How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel, fam. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing having a wonderful week, wonderful summer. Still hot here in Cali, mid-July. Anywho, guys, so in this video, a lot of people have been asking about the window visors or the visors, but a lot of you guys don't like that some companies have their branding and stuff like that. Well, this is a new brand that I'm bringing out for you guys on the KTM community because I worked with them previously when I had my Camry. So now we're jumping to KTM. So they actually provided with the window visors here, as you guys see. It's a little scratch. I had it literally on my living room for a minute. They got the carbon fiber mirror caps. So they got the covers, which, you know, it's the M style, which is not the pointy one, which I really don't like the pointy one. This is all dirty here. Oh man, I gotta clean that out. But yeah, quality is nice, obviously. There's one thing about me, guys, that I know in the KTM community you guys don't know, is that I always recommend three things, and it's good price, great prices, great customer service, and great quality, guys. That's three things that I always recommend. And I wouldn't, there's not enough money for somebody to pay me just to say something is good when it's bad, you know. I personally try it on myself. If it's good, I recommend it. I put make a video about it. If something's bad, I literally just return it back to the company. I'm honest about it. Anyways, so this video is going to be about installing your visors. Simple things. I had my mistakes before, and now I obviously learned from previous cars, you know, visors flying out and all those things. Not flying out, you know, it was dangling, but you know. So one thing that I learned is always start from the corners first. When it comes to the front, always start with this corner first. You got obviously your 3M tape, you gotta unpeel it. I'll show you guys right here. And this one, get the camera on. So we start with this piece here. Peel that one off completely, and just peel. I'm gonna show you guys the video how to do this, but peel that one off a little bit here, so you can stick it on here and kind of guide yourself all the way, and then peel little by little, take it out. I'll show you guys how, all the way to this corner so it matches. The big thing is, and don't forget, is as long as you guys can still open the door, because a lot of times that becomes an issue if you do it halfway. So the painter's tape here is just to keep pushing it in, and it will get stuck really good in there. Same right here on this one. I already did this one. Now obviously this car has this weird type of chrome that I keep seeing videos of the videos, comments, and everything. People complaining that it just gets, I don't know the proper term, tarnish. So obviously, you know, you can go and polish it up. You can take it to dealership and under warranty. But I think it's gonna look ugly eventually. So I don't know. So what I do, obviously, I get the black visors, covers the trim of the window. And now I got this small piece, which, you know, you can pay somebody to wrap. Honestly, guys, when it's wrapping something like, you know, with like corner wise, round, you know, mold and stuff like that, it's kind of hard. But when it's something straight like this, it's very easy to do, guys. You know, I'm gonna do it myself right now. I got some of AutoZone, this one, but this one's like satin. I thought it was gonna be glossy. You guys will be laughing at this right now when you see the reflection. I got the GoPro on my chest. Anywho's. That's why I got my little brother with me, but hopefully it's not too shaky for you guys. I have the case to put it on my hat, but I'm too lazy to go inside now. Anywho's, wipe down your surfaces with a little bit of water. People will say alcohol, up to you. Don't forget to dry it. So I did one little corner with water, another one. Just dry it out really fast. Any oils, if you guys use some waxing or whatever, take all those things out. need a finger dry obviously too. Okay, I'll put the painter's tape right here. So I already have the 3M right here, ready to go. Here's the thing, any company that I ever bought from or work with, for some reason, oh man, see, I gotta clean this out. I never actually work with the 3M because I don't know if, you know, a lot of times it's overseas and stuff like that. So I usually buy my own 3M tape. That's with literally any company. Like I said, take the corner out really fast. Take this piece out. And then we're gonna open the door or match this really fast. This did not came from factory, this was just me. But I'm trying to match it with your finger kinda. And before you press it on, kinda like see the other side, how the other side is looking. So once you have all that set up, it's covering all the chrome. And press on it lightly, guys. You don't want to go too crazy just because you still gotta line it. See if it actually closes the door. I'll put this door here. So this one right here is perfect. Cool. So now we can take this corner out. It should be easy. Nope, no it's not. Oh, great. There we go. Press it lightly again, see? Lightly. Check that everything's good and covered. Perfect fitment on this one too. Crazy. So now we can press hard on it. But before you do, close the door. Close both doors. No issue on fitment. Perfect. That's one thing you gotta check before you do this, or else you have to literally take it out and replace the tape, because once you already pressed on it, the tape just not gonna stick on good. So now you have this. Let's show you this guy's angle. Press right here, take little by little, keep pressing, pressing. And obviously, if you guys can do this when it's hot outside, you want to get a nice tan, but it'll work so perfect, it'll stick on point. Don't rush the process, go little by little. Boom, perfect. This definitely, guys, a lot of people don't know how to do this, and a lot of videos don't show very good detail on these type of things. And you know, I personally have searched YouTube, you know, on my first car, and oh god, some of them were not that good, you know, and then I go and put them on and they fly out. So they can't push really hard on the one corner. You can really stick on here. Same right here. Use painter tape, guys. Do not use any other type of tape, because trust me, like some tapes will actually leave residue when we have paint about taking them out. So just to like double check. Fitment's perfect on this though. Huge shout out to Custom Tuning, guys. If you guys do want to reach out to them, my Instagram is there on the intro of the video. So please feel free to message me, because a lot of times they don't reach out just because they're busy, they're packed. I mean, it's a company that usually they work a lot with cars. You know, a lot of cars, they started off with Camrys and went to like Hondas, the GR86 now as well, Nissans, Lexus, now it's doing KTM. So you know, keep that on mind, fam. Let me check around this and then I'll be showing you guys a little video. All right guys, so you guys see right here, really tight on the tape so it closes in the corners. Usually it's not needed, but you know, just in case I gotta clean this out, it's gonna bother me now. All right, awesome. So now let's move on to the other chrome. Here's the thing, like I was mentioning before, you know, this stuff, this thing too as well, you know, you can wrap it, but this is hard. This is where it comes down to where like you need experience for this, you know, because it's gonna be around, you know, so that I literally cannot do. I'll probably pay somebody to do down the road. Same as right here. But when it's something as simple as like just going down straight, yeah, it's easy, guys. So let's give it a shot. What the? Oh, this is the previous one. Look at that. Okay. So nice and easy. We're gonna get our. My car's a mess, guys. So we're gonna open this either way. Obviously, this one is thinner. Put the camera right here really fast. Alright, so the pinstripe, even though it looks more, it is glossy, you know, compared to this one's like sand, this one's glossy. So the glossy one actually too thin for this one. So it sucks because I want glossy, but I guess for now, the sand will do. We're just gonna pretty much start off with the seal. If you want to cheap out by these little blades, just be careful where you leave them. I'll leave it here. We're gonna wipe down the surface really fast and see how it goes. You guys have a perfect angle right here, so there we go. Alrighty guys, so there we have it. It's in the corner, I had to like tuck in things right here, but not bad. For like $5, not bad. Now we're gonna go ahead and do this side here. Should be done. Alrighty guys, so we just finished wrapping this. Look. Doesn't look bad. Kinda matches now. Take the blue tape, I'm sure it'll look better, but all the extra, not bad for like $5 guys, honestly. We'll see how it lasts. We're gonna take it to a car wash in a bit. Gotta fully wash guys, because we got a new part for the Stinger guys that everybody's been wanting. I know there's one out there, but it's crazy stupid expensive. But this one's gonna be different, fam. Stay tuned guys. Actually, yeah, stay tuned. We'll try to make this video short, and maybe I can put some preview here at the end of this video, or else guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video guys. Till next time fam, stay sexy out there.